Hello, dear children. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 of your Sunday school lesson Israel and the Greek civilization. Dear children, you have already learned about various civilizations in the school. So, what is civilization? It is the process by which a place or society reaches an advanced stage of social and cultural development. Any social group or movement that originates and develops in the world comes under the influence of civilizations. The great civilizations that influence the world include the Aryan civilization, Indus Valley, the Egyptian, the Hebrew, the Mesopotamian, and the Greek civilization. Out of which the Greek civilization has deeply influenced the Holy Bible and the Hebrew Christian traditions. Greek civilization is known after the famous emperor Alexander the Great and his successors Ptolemy and Seleucids. Today we are going to learn how this Greek civilization influenced Israel. Now we will be studying the timeline of Israel. The major global power mentioned in the Old Testament is Egypt. We know that Joseph lived with his father Jacob and his brothers in Egypt and later became slaves in that land. Moses also grew up in Egyptian culture and received 10 commandments at Mount Sinai. It is considered that writing down of laws originated as a result of the influence of this culture. Later, Israel conquered the land of Canaan and stamped their cultural imprints. Kings like Saul, David, Solomon arose from them. Later, Assyrians conquered and exerted their influence on Israel. Then Mesopotamians or Babylonians conquered the Jews and sent them into exile. This rule lasted for about 70 years. They were followed by the Persians, who influenced Israelites culturally and politically. Then came the great civilization called Greek civilization under the emperor Alexander the Great. During the time of Jesus Christ, Romans were the global power. The Greek civilization exerted a great influence on the Jewish practices, beliefs, and rituals, as well as on the compilations of books and on language. Now let us study the influence of Greek civilization on Israel. Now let us study the influence of Greek civilization on Israel. One of the important characteristics of Greek civilization was the flourishing of philosophical schools beginning with Plato and Aristotle. Philosophy was used for finding the truth of life. The writings of Greek philosophers were too much deep and insightful. They tried to assess the origin and meaning of human life, the laws, conditions, and principles governing human nature and physical phenomena. Their language, culture, forms of art, and sports developed to great levels. At the end of 4th century BC, Emperor Alexander, as part of his imperial invasion, conquered Israel and other neighboring countries. After that, Greek language and culture were imposed on Israel. the freedom of Jews in matters of worship decreased. The Greek intolerance towards other religions and cultures and their linguistic rigidity were intolerable for the Jews. Later, under the Greek influence, the Jews gradually drifted away from commandments regarding circumcision, Jewish forms of worship, observance of Sabbath, and fidelity in married life. Now we will be studying the Greek civilization and its influence on the young generation. Young people and children who did not know Hebrew and those who knew only Greek came under the influence of Greek thought. They wanted to join Greeks who participated nude in various sports events, and for this purpose they were ready to remove the mark of circumcision from their body through surgery. Dear children, do you know what is circumcision? It was a tradition of removing the foreskin of the young boys as part of their covenantal obligation from the time of Abraham. Because of the influence of Greek language and culture, the young generation drifted away from scriptures and it became a great cultural shock to the Jews. The laws of practices like assembling in homes, the places of worship for reading and interpretation of scriptures, meditating over the commandments at the individual level, and living accordingly resulted in the deterioration of morality. As observance of Sabbath, offerings, and daily worship at synagogue deteriorated, they developed a lot of prejudice against Greek culture. The Greek influence was evident in the people's concept of God, divine revelations, and the ways of God's inquiry. The first translation of the Holy Bible was to the Greek. It was called the Septuagint. It was done for the sake of Jews who were scattered in various places and for those who were scattered by Greek culture as well as for those who grew up in Greek culture. Under the inspiration of King Ptolemy II, 70 or 72 scholars from Jerusalem reached Alexandria, and the Greek translation of the Bible was made by these scholars. The Greek domination reached its zenith during 2nd century BC, the last phase of Greek influence. Now let us see a quick recap of this chapter. In this chapter, we have learned global powers who conquered Israel, influence of Greek civilization on Israel, moral downfall of Jews, and Septuagint, the Greek translation of Holy Bible. With this, we have come to the end of this chapter. Kindly read and revise this chapter and solve all the questions given and learn them thoroughly. Thank you. God bless you all.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.